Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to study multiplication. Class, today I am going to teach you class 4 multiplication table and multiplication. So product, the number obtained in any multiplication is called product. Here I am multiplying 3 and 4 and I am getting 12. 12 is called the product and 3 and 4 is called the factors. The numbers that are being multiplied are called factors. Once again I repeat, before learning the multiplication and multiplication table, we need to know some of the things. That is first product. What is product? Product is the numbers obtained in any multiplication is called product. For example, I am multiplying 3 into 4 and I am getting 12. 12 is called the product, and 3 and 4s that are being multiplied, they are called as the factors. So the numbers that are being multiplied are called factors. There are some properties of multiplication. So the properties we are going to study is any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number. Any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number. 12 1 gives the same number 12. 5 1 gives the same number 5. The second property is that any number multiplied by 0 gives 0. If you multiply 5 with 0, answer comes out 0. If you multiply 21 times 0, 0 is the result. If you multiply 100 into 0, answer will be 0 itself. We can also multiply numbers in any order and still get the same result. For example, 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5 is 30. Then we can multiply 2 3s are 6. 6 5s is also 30. Or we can multiply 2 into 5 10 into 3 is 30. Or we can multiply 15 into 3 is 5 into 3 is 15 into 2 is 30. That means multiplication can be done in any form, but the result will come the same. So here again I repeat again, 2 into 3 into 5 is 30. So you can multiply 2 3s are 6 and then 5. The answer is 30. Or you can multiply 2 into 5 and then 10 into 3 is 30. Or you can multiply 5 into 3 is 15, then into 2 is 30. In any way you multiply the number, in any order you multiply the multiplication, the result will come out the same. Dear students, our next topic is multiplying by breaking up the numbers. For example, 4 into 7. 4 into 7, 7 you can break up into 3 plus 4, then 4 into 3 plus 4 into 4. So 4 into 3 is 12, plus 4 into 4 is 16. So 12 plus 16 is 28. Therefore, we can get the result of 4 into 7 as 28. So this is another method, another way that we can multiply by breaking up the numbers. For example, again, here multiplication of the table 12. Let me give you an example. It is written in your book also. 12 1 is 12. 12 2 how they have done is 10 plus 2 equals to into 2. Into 2 is equals to 10 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Here is 10 plus 2 into 1 is equals to 10 into 1 plus 2 into 1. So here 12 into 3 is 10 plus 2 into 3 is 10 into 3 plus 2 into 3. So 12 into 4 is equals to 10 plus 2 into 4. So 10 into 4 plus 2 into 4. 12 into 5 is equals to 10 plus 2 into 5. 10 into 5 plus 2 into 5. So here comes 10 plus 2 equals to 12. Here comes 20 plus 4 equals to 24. Here comes 30 plus 6 equals to 36. Here comes 40 plus 8 equals to 48. Here comes 50 plus 10 equals to 60. Like that you can go on. 12 into 6 is 10 plus 2 into 6 equals to 10 into 6 plus 2 into 6 is how much? 10 6 is 60 plus 12 is 72. Similarly, in that way, 12 into 7 is 10 plus 2 into 7 is equals to 10 into 7 plus 2 into 7 equals to 70 plus 14 equals to 84. This is how you can multiply by breaking up the numbers. Similarly, you can do exercise 3a, question number 2. I'll show you one and you can do it the rest at home. For example, students, let us do exercise 3a, question number 2, 15 into 5. I'm taking you question number 2, and number C, 15 into 5. So what will you do? How will you do 15 into 5? Let us make it 15 into 10 plus 5 is 15 into 5. So here comes 10 into 5, 10 into 5 plus 5 into 5, 5 into 5. So 10 5s are 50 plus 5 5s are 25. So that comes how much? 50 plus 25 is 75. So you can get the product by breaking up the numbers of the factors or splitting up the factors. You can get the product. Before going to exercise 3b, let us know some of the properties of multiplication. Multiplying by doubling. Okay? If you know the table of 4, then you can work out the table of 8 very easily. Only you need to think a little bit. Here 1 4 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 3 4 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 5 4 is 20, 6 4 is 24, 7 4 is 28. And here 1 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 3 8 is 24, 4 8 is 32, 5 8 is 40, 6 8 is 48, 7 8 is 56. Now it is time for us to think. Here double of 4 is 8. Here double of 8 is 16. If 2 4 is 8, then 2 8 will be 16. Double of 8 is 16. If 3 4 is 12, then 3 8 is 24. Double of 12 is 24. Double of 16 is 32. Double of 20 is 40. Double of 24 is 48. Double of 28 is 56. This is doubling method. Similarly, you can learn here, if you know the table of 8, then you can learn the table of 16. If you know 8 times table, then we can easily calculate 16 times table. For example, we know that 1 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 3 8 is 24, 4 8 is 32, 5 8 is 40, 6 8 is 48. So we can easily calculate 1 into 16 is double of 8 is 16. 2 into 16 is double of 16 is 32. 3 into 16 is double of 24 is 48. 4 into 16 is double of 32 is 64. 5 into 8 is 40. So 5 into 16 is double of 40 is 80. Similarly, like that, 6 into 8 is 48. So 6 into 16 is double of 48 is 96. Similarly, we can calculate all the table of 8 and then we can understand it. The table of 16, we know that the product will be double of 8. Next topic, we are going to look for a pattern. Looking for a pattern. So I am giving you two factors here. 101 into 37. 101 into 37. So we can break up 101 into 100 plus 1 into 37. So we get it 100 into 37 plus 1 into 37. So we get it what? 3700 plus 37 ones are 37. So 3737. So what is the pattern here? 101 into 37 is 3737. You look the pattern 3737. 101 into 37 is 3737. So if I give you any number, 101 into 48 will be, you can easily say 4848. So this is called looking for a pattern. If I give you another number, 101 into 73. So what will be the answer? 7373. So exercise 3B, question number 3. Exercise 3B, question number 3 is looking for a pattern. You can do it easily by looking at the pattern. You can do it easily. And question number 1, question number 2, you can do it by looking my previous doubling the product. You can do it question number 1 and question number 2. Now question number 4, let us come multiplying in any order. In my previous video, I have already given you the example of multiplying in any order. In exercise 3B, question number 4, there is again given in exercise 3B. Exercise 3B, question number 4, multiplying in any order. So 3 into 2 into 4 is, we know that it is 24. But this multiplication you can do it in different ways. First, you can multiply 3 into 2, 6 into 4 equals to 24. You can multiply it 4 into 2, that is 8 into 3 is also 24. Or you can multiply it 4 into 3, 12 into 2, also 24. Ultimately, you multiply in any order, the product will come out the same. So you can do question number 4, number A, number B, number C, number D, and number E. So after watching my video number 1 and video number 2, you try to do all your exercise 3A and 3B, and stay home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourselves, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. Hum hong ye kamyab. Jai Hind.